Brian Anthony Howe was an English rock singer and songwriter, best known for replacing Paul Rodgers as the lead vocalist of Bad Company. Howe's career was jump-started in 1983 when Ted Nugent recruited him to handle lead vocals for his Penetrator album and front its subsequent world tour. Howe was born in Portsmouth, England in 1953. He sang with a local band called Shy who had one minor hit single in the UK, but he quickly quit, seeking a harder rock band. He had a brief stint with the NWOBHM group White Spirit, having replaced their recently departed singer Bruce Ruff. However, the group quickly collapsed, and Howe never recorded an album with them. A soul cut, Watch Out, surfaced on Neat Records' 60 Minutes Plus cassette compilation in 1982, also issued on vinyl as All Hell Let Loose by Neat in conjunction with Italy's Bass Records label in 1983. The song was also released on CD by US-based label Prism Entertainment on their Metal Minded compilation in 1987. Howe's first gig in the USA was with Ted Nugent in 1984. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.